ஹே காய்ஸ், போரூர்ல பெண்களுக்காக புதுசா என்ன இருக்குன்னு தெரியுமா? வாங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம். Introducing Prospera Bible, a landmark address crafted for women of distinction, located in the heart of Porur, adjacent to Ramachandra Hospital. Launching on April 25th, 26th, and 27th. Experience the elegance of India's first ever woman-centric residential community, where every detail is designed to empower, inspire, and elevate. Spacious 2 and 3 BHK residences starting from 79 lakhs. Sizes ranging from 932 to 1476 square feet, offering exceptional comfort and functionality. Enjoy 50 plus thoughtfully curated amenities including She Corner, an exclusive gym for women, robotic vacuum cleaner, dedicated kids play zones, spiritual garden, senior citizen lawn space, and a host of premium lifestyle offerings. Strategically located just 900 meters from Ayyappan Dangal Metro, 500 meters from reputed institutions like Sri Chaitanya and Velamma, 600 meters from Ramachandra Medical College. Exclusive launch benefit. Book your residence in your women's team and get free registration charges worth up to 8 lakhs. A tribute to the women we cherish. Step into a community that celebrates women, supports families, and sets a new benchmark in refined living. Visit Prospera by DAG on April 24th, 26th, and 27th. Book property in your loved one's name. Bye bye.